having numbers. So let's take one number here, a 3-digit number. $345. Okay, step 1, partition. 345. Okay, then we're going to have each individual part. Half of 300, hopefully you know half of 30 is 15, so half of 300 is 150. Half of 4 is 2, half of 40 is 20. And half of 5 fingers up, we know half of 4 is 2, and half of 1 is a half. So it is 2.5. We then join them all back up. It gives us our answer. 150, 160, 170, 2.5. Now you can do any part in your head, or you can record it like this to practice. But the idea is hopefully you'll be able to do it in your head, thinking about it in this way. Okay, second thing, we're going to look at comparing, adding, subtracting some fractions. So here we go. One quarter added to 1/6. Now you can see, quarter and 6, we can't add them together. We can't take them away because they're different. Different denominators, different fraction. So what we need to do is we need to find a common denominator. So I think about my multiples, my 4 and 6 times table, which number appears first in both. So I think 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 6 times table, 6, 12, 18, 24. So I know 12 is the first number that appears. So I'm going to change this. Now 1/4 looks like this. Now if I split them into 12ths, all I'm doing is splitting each box into more pieces. I have the same whole thing, but now I have 3, 6, 9, 12 whole pieces, and I have 3 coloured in. Mathematically I can just times this by 3 times this by 3, which gives me 3/12. Added to, the same as the 6ths, I have a shape. 1/6 looks like this. Again, if I split this into 12s, it has to be even parts. Okay, I've got 2 bits here. So 2/12. Mathematically, I times this by 2 times this by 2. So it becomes 2/12. Once I have the denominators the same, I can then add, subtract, or compare them. So I should see I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 12ths. 3 add 2 equals 5. They are 12ths. That's what we're talking about. This doesn't change. So our answer to 1/4 added to 1/6 is 5/12. Have a go. Any problems, fire me an email. Take it easy.